ngan hap ban keren hang bat kaktian parengum jo namar ba kini ki bangi kwa ru bagani ka khubor kan lek shaban na ka jila ka jingi bantep bahagani ka sni la sut le shor la seng ya gani ka party ka banora ya ka jingkla halo ka nongrim ka bakhoi tamba ka don ka jinge ini ki bakaran hadien namar ki point baro ki bangla pon kre hap ot yue di yue namar bakaran rahmat la bam su ke point bakaran na ar la bam ka point ba ar te teng teng ni shem jinge te hagani ka por sai sin pat nga ai khubre pi baro today is going to be a memorable and a historic day for all of us. It is not simply because we have been able to form this new regional political party, but more importantly, we are proud of our courage and conviction to take this very big step. Kanigalong the si sa jingkan mga bat kabanye sa kana pateng pakit. Nakamda jingi paro kibenot ni kapor. Day tan mar bingilala ban seng thmai ya kawai pat ka seng san perthai ke bathmai. Henry ya kata ka jingshur. Bat ya kata ka jingkut jingmut ka jinget ke baskem. Kabal penong ini bangin shimi ke rai ban seng ya kani ka party ke bathmai. Especially at a time when a trend in the electoral politics is the role of money and the advantage taken by moneybags and businessmen. This has resulted in the absence of good legislators and serious lawmakers. It has also led to serious implication for the state, especially in terms of growth and development. Kanikalawan ra yagi jingdo nong ka bakraw haba kata ka rukam ekran jing kibriu hagini kisi ya kata ka jinglong jingman jong ka sanyima sima ka deibe stang ya ka bor pisa kumalay kren menen akhmat kabala pensluri kita ki hespa bagin lek ban thaw ya ka jingdon jing constituency bat ban mang tingka kumno ban pelut pisa ba kabala pendu no ya ka jela ka jingi ya ki riu side an ki betbet but you give side an give a champagne kabala taru ya ka jila haki ba bon giru kom kham tam e ha ka roi ka par ba ka jinkiu jong ka jila. We all gathered here today to make a history by manifesting our determination to change the course of direction of our state as mentioned in the vision statement of the party. Niyawan lang handi ba ngin ya thau ya ka history Bangin tahu ya kata ka history jaka bani peni ya kata ka jingkot jingkot ka scam ka jingi. Ban penpai pat ya kata ka jinya Lynti ka jong ka jila ka jingi. Nagaba ka long menta sha ka ka ba ka ba be. Kumbangi nila penpau ha ka ni ka vision statement ka jingi. A vision statement ka ba ong kumno to restore, revive and transform Meghalaya. Restore what that have been ruined and destroyed. Nin pen pai pat yik ay kabra pen jot la pen snew la ni pen do no hagani ka jila ka jingi. Bangla ay nuksa the scenic beauty of our state, the greenery, the forest, the rivers, the environment, so on and so forth. Ka jinglong ka jongori ka jing itanat jongani ka ri ka jingi. I pai shi ka jing jirngam ka jongori ka jingi. I pai shi ka jing don ki cloud tap. I pai shi ki wa but ni pai shi ka jinglong ka barang ni I bala pen snew do la pen jot no la pen snew no nim dai ban klet ya ka jing shit ka bangi mat akini ki sni ki bamata la tip ini kum kata ka hill station la ne ka jaka ka ba shatei ki banta shatei la mingi jogri India ki jaka ki ba kriat nrei mentai ni mat ya ka jing shit dei namar tangi kwa ban pen pai pat kum kata ka party ka ba thamai shakata ka jinglong ka ba itanat jongani ka ri ka jing shaka pho ka phing Shaka jing jangam jingi clow, shaka jing jangam jingi lum kiwa, shaki wa kiba quote kiba im, say she sent pa. Nin pen pai ken, hakataka jing I jingai ka jingi, yaganika party. Revive what we have lost, pen impat yaga bangina do no. Kani ka kta, ka tho, kambun, ya ka jinglong, ka jing im, ka jingi, kum ka jat ka riu, bat ka ri. ban penimpat kumi ke ai ya kita ki jinglong ki babha good virtues, moral values, self-respect, civility, but kumjuru to revive the economy. Kumbalam taka yok kot jingi kalayap. The economy of the state is dead. Let shiki jaganong kondong penumi ya ka taka jing kim juga kam gajam. Dei namar na barok ni tur shalong ban pen khapnya ya ki Lynti ya kijat ban shishong di madan umdan shoot goi pat ka alternative hagi ki si bada namar ba ka taka rural economy ki kalayap dan kam namar ka taka bangin penimpat ya kata lingba ka ni ka jingya Lynti ka jingi. Nanta to transform the present sorry state of affairs into a dignified one, from the least performing state to the best performing state. Katakani ka jing kwa ka jing nakakadan ko shatraitam jong ka jinglong jong ka jila hagar India lapiong ka puri ka puthi lapiong haka jingya bon jing kilong kumi ki bapun haka jingya bon jing tiki khna godang ret haka jing tuna jong ka lat ka kwat ka khya gat shabik ni pai ni don shadin ni dei ke jela ka basadin kumala kremene di Dr. Ricky belong secretary jingi ayu ken what do we have to feel proud of the 50th anniversary of the state? Ni don ayu bangin song to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the state. Do we have anything to feel proud? No. Nyem don ay ban sarong namar ka tagarao ken ni wan hakani ka por menei balon lapen kamau bakani ka party ji our party is going to be a party with a difference in the sense that it's going to be driven by principle of clean politics, clear ideas, ideologies. Ni ne pher pat na kiwe na ni don ni ki nongrim ki bas kem ki ban yalam mi ka party ki ji ni don ni kita ki issue ki bas shai ki bangin let ki pat ba but ni don ni kata ka jinget ki bas kem bangila ban yalam ye ka ri but ye ka jat ban ri. The general perception of the people these days is that no election can be fought or won without money power. Kadang garukang perkhat jing ibreu gini kisni kat shabang elect bang inam la show Punjab election klem dadan kabor Pisa. Kata gani ka jing singutho kabar rung haga jingmot jing perkhat jong kibreu. We can understand that people fully understood that is not the right way. Kibreu ki singutho pakata kamrong Lynti kibreu. Bagata kabagi French pang Pisa. However, they are helpless since they have no choice. Kimdon pat agoy galat Lynti nama umdon pat kanu kabangila banjit like nakatagabor Pisa kabagi kren hagini gisni. Therefore, the voice of the people party is an alternative to the people of the state. Nagamda gitu kibangimong kibaong ngimdon latin le kuno habjit uturujo habjit ken yu ba Pisa. Kanikan kadai kata ka alternative kanikan ngari kata kalah nagamda ki patpa jongari bakin one shakamat. I am also sure that people of the state are longing for this to take place. Nyam artin kum ki nangaram jong BPP baki patpa ru kila up community ka bakum gani ka smi bakan wanja bakan mi ka party ka ban wanra yaki mat ki bashai ki nongrim ki baskem tang ban shi tho khana ya ka Pisa. In these days, when we want to become Emily, we have to buy. Lahapan thiet, banlong Emily, nrehadian ke election pat, layo snow menta shroom sheneng, ladalait kamnas, kadon dagador, ladalait kam punit, kadon lagador, ladalait kam nahikai, kadon lagador. Lahap siya thiet, segi pat ba pat ki kam ki jam hagi ki si hadu kanu kolong ka jing shisha ngatrai lada kamdon ka jing shisha kan mi ka jing ekran mo ban apply ki kam manta kam shong ka jinga jo usamla ni ka samla ka bayi kun ndai ka shong kanu ki don Pisa lamang kata ka jing jelai ka jing shlor juga bamsa kala nang shurkai kumbangila pen bana bat kumbangila om hakapor bingil thau ye gani ban thau ye gani ka party baga thonga jingi kalong kumnu banon ra e kata ka jingla ga bashisha. As we have already stated when we announced the formation of this new political party, that our aims is to bring about a real and complete change in the governance of the state with a strong, clean and decisive leadership and also an all-round and an inclusive development. I am therefore very thankful to all of you for your willingness to be part of this effort to bring about change in the politics of the state. Change is possible only, can take place only if we can get the support and cooperation from all the people who are concerned with the well-being of the state. It is therefore the duty and responsibility of each and every right-thinking person to support this effort to bring a real and complete change in our state. Ngira kular mentang ngira ong bangi kwa banwan ra ya kata ka jingkala. Ka jingkala kanamra banwan ra tang lingba jungi kisan rungot ki ba pleji hagani ka por ringkat tang bat phi. Ringi hak ban dan ni ka jingit kli bani don benta. Namar kata ka daw nga ai kublei ba play one shakmat. Bani don benta hagani ka jing sedang ya kani ka party. Kumuladak ban pen pamane dikinong keren ki bahmat kani ka dei tang ka jing sedang. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning of our journey. Kadai tang jing sedang jo jing ya Lynti kajing hakani ka liang ba hakani ka benta. We understand that we have to tread a very difficult path. Ni snotho kom ka party ka ban yang persya ya ka bor Pisa ha ka por election kandai ka ba tamingi ha ka jing ya Lynti. Therefore, no matter what comes in our way, our commitment to the cause will not be weakened. Namakta abing en rai kot en rai rang ba. Ja ka baja long kat balong ka 8 kabalapan 1 ha ka jingim ka jingi ha ka jingi kendo henrei onnom pen ratno ya kata ka jingkut jimot ka jingi ka bangile kut jimot banwan ra ya kata ka jingkala ha ka nei ka ri ka be ka jingi